We identified and removed the defect battery module. The new module was charged and installed in the HV battery. Before reinstalling the HV battery, we must check whether the insulation is working and the housing and cooling circuit are leak-proof. AVL DiTEST offers two different tool options. The first option consists of workSAFE and noLEAK, and the second one shows the full end-of-service test HV SAT. For Solution 1, and in order to access the measuring points, the AVL DiTEST measuring box Accessible is connected to the battery. Accessible is a customized solution based on the customer's needs for connecting the device to all high-voltage components. To prevent wrong measurement results caused by defect wires, perform a self-test before starting the measurement. After installing the new module, measure the absence of voltage and insulation resistance to ensure no damage occurred. This time, measure the entire active battery. Activate the battery and connect the measuring box to the HV terminals. Using workSAFE, measure two voltages simultaneously to determine the insulation resistance accurately, meeting the latest standard from China or the existing European standard. After resealing the battery housing, perform a leak test with AVL DiTEST noLEAK. To match the manufacturer-specific limits, use the appropriate leakage adapters to close all battery openings like venting membranes or connectors. To prevent wrong measurement results caused by defect hoses, perform an automated self-test before applying to the battery. In the event of a leakage, find the leak using noLEAK with forming gas and a corresponding detector to find even the smallest leakages. Use noLEAK to perform the leakage test as well on the cooling circuit by applying a test pressure up to 3 bars before refilling due to the opening of the cooling circuit during the module change.